If you have an import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to mastering 1688 for importing goods from China complete tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, however, or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to mastering 1688 complete tutorial for importing goods from China. So let's begin. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you source for the right product from 1688 Chinese shopping line from different manufacturer. Now, there are so many ways to source for products on 1688. So one of the first way is to simply type the product name from here. Let's, for instance, if you are looking for shoe, just come to the search engine right here. And what you need to do is to simply click on here and make sure you type in shoes and then click on search. So you are going to see a similar result as far as shoes is concerned. You can also navigate from the top here and see shoe different of the category. And then one more thing here is that you can swipe and see more category. And also you can scroll down. The more you scroll down here, the more different shoes is going to load up as far as 1688 is concerned. And one more, so we can also search for products by using Chinese text character. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to make use of Google Translate. So I'm going to access from my 1688 right here. Then I will head over to my Google Translate right here. So what I'm going to do is to simply open it up. If you don't have Google Translate, successful download and install on your phone. It is a free app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. What you need to do is to go to App Store and look for what you need to do is to simply go to App Store and look for Google Translate and download it and install it on your phone, and you are going to be fine. Now, after you have successfully downloaded the app, what you need to do is to make sure you choose your preferred language here. So my preferred language here is English, while your translation should be in Chinese. So the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here, and then I'm going to say shoes. So when you type in English, it automatically converts to Chinese character. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here just to copy the text, just like so. Then I will go back to my 1688 search engine right here. I'm going to close here. I'll click on put down, I'll paste, then I'll search. So you can see it right here. You see different types of shoes as far as the type search is concerned. So these are the ways to type search. Alternatively, you can also filter by the location. So for you to do that, you just simply click on here and then you can choose the location of the manufacturer you would like to patronize. Click on that. Then while using this location, just set on that. So you can choose location from here that this so location is where I need to get supplier. For you to do that, click on here to choose your location. And then once you choose your location, it's going to refine the result for you, and then you are going to be fine. It's as simple as that. So let's simply go back. Okay, now you can also make use of this camera icon right here. So what to do, this camera icon right here, what you do here is to simply click on the camera icon, then upload the product picture. Then you are going to see similar results of the particular product from different supplier. It's as simple as that. So let's quickly go back to the home page. Now, alternatively, you can scroll down like this. The more you scroll down, the more product is going to load up from different supplier across China. Or better still, if you want to contact with direct manufacturer in China, what you want to do is to simply click on here, this icon here, this section here simply means all manufacturers. So they will there upload their product on daily basis. You can connect with different manufacturer direct from China using this tab right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then when you click on that, it takes you to all the manufacturer right here. and then you can see them from the home page right here. And for you to identify if someone is a direct factory, this is just the sign. The symbol here is indicates that the sales page here is factory. Okay, then let's go back to the home page. Alternatively, you can make use of this new button right here, which allow you to see latest product that was uploaded by different supplier across China. It's as simple as that. So once you are able to see the right supplier to make a purchase from, the next thing you want to do is to simply click on the product link and then go ahead and add the product to cart on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see how we can simply add the product to cart and proceed to check out and make payment on 1688. All right, so this particular jewelry right here, I'm going to buy from this store. So I'm going to simply click on the product link, just like so. So after click on the product link, it's going to open up to this page. Then we can simply scroll down and check on the sales page of the supplier. One of the things you need to do is to simply scroll down and check on the graphics detail of the product. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more it's going to load up. And then alternatively, you can see the live recording of the product video here. Then you can scroll down and see more product picture. Okay, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more product picture is going to load. However, this is depends on the number of product picture that was uploaded by different supplier on 1688. So the next thing you need to do after you have satisfied with the product, next thing you need to do is to make use of this particular icon right here to add the product to cart. All right, so from here, this is where we need to select the products by quantity and the size and the likes. Okay, so right here, I need this particular one right here. So I need 185. So I have to simply scroll and look for the right one I want. 185. Okay, 185. 185. Okay, I need this one, just one quantity of it. Okay, then I need YD001. So I have to look for it. So YD001, I need one of it. I need YD0018. So I have to simply search for it. This one right here, I need just one. Okay. Then I need this one right here, A89. I need just one. Then I will add one. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add everything to cart completely. Successfully added to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to check out my cart. So we have everything right here, which is 4 items. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here, select everything. So just like so, I have another one here that was already added to cart. What I need to do is to simply select on it. Okay, so this is different product from different two supplier. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to check out. So I'm paying the sum of 23.67 yen to purchase everything right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to continue. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to confirm. Then enter my payment password. So as you can see, payment done successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to close this pop-up. So I can go back to my profile now. Click on here to go back to my profile. Then go back. So for me to access my profile, I need to simply click on here. So From my profile right here, we're going to find the item right here. So let's check it out. So just like so, you can see this is the item we had to cart, and then this is the second one I just make a purchase for on 1688. So basically, this is a complete tutorial for importing goods from China and mastering 1688. No matter how the quantity of the product you want to import from China, this is the right step you need to follow, most especially if your presence is not in China. You can be in anywhere and import products from China to any part of the world. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.